Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pinto beans. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pinto beans. I'm using adobo all-purpose light seasoning, or you guys can use salt. Also crushed red pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, better than bouillon roasted chicken base, dried parsley flakes, black pepper, also goya ham flavored concentrate, 1 medium onion, and also we're going to need garlic cloves. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. So I have a pound of pinto beans. We're going to be using a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo light seasoning, or if you're using salt, it'll be 1 teaspoon. I have 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes. I have my medium onion chopped up and 3 large garlic cloves minced, and we're going to be using 2 packs of the ham flavored concentrate, the Goya brand. Also, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of the better than bouillon roasted chicken base. So guys, what you want to do with your pinto beans, first you want to make sure there's no broken beans or any rocks in there, so you want to sift through them. What I did with mine is I let it soak overnight. That way it cuts down the cooking time. Pinto beans takes hours to cook, so we're looking at 2.5 hours by soaking them overnight. Okay guys, so I have my pot of water boiling. I have about 12 cups of water in there. So I'm just going to begin to start adding my ingredients. So I'm going to add the black pepper, the crushed red pepper flakes, garlic powder, our onion powder, our adobo light seasoning, our parsley flakes. We're going to mix that up. Now I'm going to add in the 2 packs of the ham flavored concentrate. Okay, next my garlic cloves are going in, and also my onion. You can go ahead and give that a good stir. Okay guys, next I'm going to add in my better than bouillon roasted chicken base. Okay guys, next I'm going to add my pinto beans. Once you have your pinto beans in, all you want to do is just go ahead and give it a mix. Okay guys, I have my flame on high. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to go ahead and lower it down. Also guys, you want to have a pot of hot water to the side, so as your beans boil down, you can go ahead and add the hot water in. Never use cold water. Okay guys, now that our beans come to a boil, all you're going to do is lower your heat to low And we're going to go ahead and put a lid over top. And we're going to cook for about 2.5 to 3 hours. And you're going to check in between as your water starts to boil down. We're going to add a little bit more of hot water to it. Okay guys, it's been about an hour, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at our beans. And they're coming along great. So at this time guys, you want to go ahead and taste and see if you need any more seasoning to yours. Mine are fine. I have the perfect seasoning in mine. So guys, these beans are soft already, so we're not going to need to add any more water. All we're going to do is just go ahead and let that cook down. I'm going to give it about another 1.5 hours, and we're going to come back and check. You want to put your lid back over top. Okay guys, it's been another hour, so we're 2 hours in, and our beans are looking amazing. They're done. So all I'm going to do is give it about another 15 minutes to a 1/2 hour so some of the juice can boil down. I don't want it too soupy. Okay guys, our pinto beans are done. Look how nice and thick the broth is. The color is amazing on these. They taste amazing, they smell amazing. So it only took 2.5 hours. So if you're using just the dry beans without soaking them, you're going to be cooking them for 3.5 hours. Okay guys, so here we have it, our pinto beans. These taste so good. You can serve them as is or over white rice, whatever you choose. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.